Hello. Thanks for dropping in. I do not do, or I have not been doing, much editing lately, but I will in this case. Hello. I'm going to load the directory. And way down at the bottom, I'm just going to move this up into the nicer. There is a thing called Sing Song 1541. I've heard of this, a legendary thing, but I have never, until the other day, had it. So, what I'm about to do is stop recording, and I'm going to switch the cables from a 1541 that is working to one that is not working, because I've always heard that there's a chance that when using this, you could kill your 1541. So, I don't want to do that. And then I'm going to make sure that as best as I can that you can hear this, because it is a very, very quiet thing. Basically, what happens is the program tells the 1541 to bang its head in just the right way to play the song A Bicycle Built for Two. So, stand by. We'll get to the song. Actually, you know what? Almost. Let me just turn off the 1541. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to type in run so you can see what it says. Alright, so lights off. Oh. And I don't know if there are other programs like this. I suppose if I had a device 9, that would make it easier, but I don't at this moment. Alright. Well, you know, maybe I can do this. I'm going to turn out the other light here. I'm going to take off my hat, which has the microphone on it. I'm going to set it directly onto the 1541. Press the space bar. Shh, be quiet. You might want to crank up your volume now. Here we go. I don't hear anything. That's not working here. I did. I'm connected. This did work yesterday. Alright, let me turn the drive off for a second. Turn the drive on. Oh, what's happening? Alright. That did not go well. I'm going to put my hat with the microphone back on. I'm going to put the cables back. And perhaps I will not run the program before I load. Let's try that again. Oh, 53280, comma 0. Oh, 53281, comma 0. Oh dear. All right. We will load this, will not run it. Okay, it's loaded. Turn drive off. Move serial cable. Grab power cable. Power cable in. All right. I'm going to put my hat with the microphone down on the 1541 and type run. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, so that did that. Let's see what happens if I run again. Will it do it again? Okay, it might have been a little louder that time, so I'm just gonna give this another go. So while it's doing it, the drive is spinning. Probably, maybe you can hear that. I'm just gonna do this one more time. Okay, so I should have maybe said this beforehand. I would say only do this on a 1541 that is somehow not working. This one I just plugged it into. The board is good, the power supply is good, the drive has never been good for me. So that is the end of that. I don't know if there's other songs like this somewhere. But if I find some, I'll let you know. Thanks for coming. Remember, danger, danger, danger. Do not try this at home. Bye.